Hey there, are you struggling with the turn off the TV command not working on Google Assistant? You're not alone. This is a common issue faced by many users, and luckily there are solutions. In this guide, we'll walk you through several steps to ensure your Google Assistant can successfully turn off your TV. By following these simple troubleshooting tips, you can regain control and enjoy a seamless smart home experience. Step 1. Check device compatibility. First and foremost, ensure that your TV is compatible with Google Assistant. Most smart TVs from brands like LG, Samsung, and Sony offer Google Assistant support directly or through an intermediary device like Chromecast or a smart speaker. Look for any signs of compatibility issues and consult your TV's manual or support website to verify that it can accept voice commands from Google Assistant. Step 2. Update your devices. Keeping your devices updated is crucial for optimal performance. Check for software updates for your smart TV, Chromecast, and the Google Home app. To update your TV or Chromecast, go to your TV settings and select Software Update or a similar option. For the Google Home app, visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, update to the latest version. These updates can often fix bugs that may be causing the turn off the TV command to fail. Step 3. Verify proper setup. Incorrect setup can cause miscommunication between your devices. Confirm that your TV, Chromecast, and Google Assistant are on the same Wi-Fi network. In the Google Home app, check that your TV is correctly linked and assigned to a room. If you initially set up your devices and are experiencing issues, try unlinking and relinking your TV to Google Assistant. This can often resolve any underlying connection problem. Step 4. Test your Google Assistant. Ensuring that Google Assistant is functioning properly is key to solving this issue. On your smartphone or smart speaker, use Google Assistant for other commands like "What's the weather today?" or "Play my favorite playlist." If it responds accurately, then Google Assistant is working correctly. If not, try restarting the Google Assistant-enabled device or reinstalling the Google Home app. Step 5. Use specific commands. Sometimes using specific phrasing can make a difference. Try saying more detailed commands like "Hey Google, turn off the living room TV," or "Okay Google, power down the bedroom television." If you have multiple devices with similar names, ensure you differentiate them clearly in both your voice command and the Google Home app for more reliable results. Step 6. Reset your devices. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset of your devices. This can resolve deep-rooted issues within your device's configuration. Remember, resetting will erase all existing settings, so proceed with caution. To reset most TVs and Chromecast devices, press the reset button or hold the power button for an extended period. Then, set up your devices again from scratch in the Google Home app. Fixing the turn off the TV command not working on Google Assistant might seem daunting, but following these steps can streamline the process. By ensuring compatibility, updating your devices, verifying the setup, and using specific commands, you'll enhance your smart home experience significantly. In the event of persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance. Enjoy a hands-off, streamlined approach to managing your home entertainment with Google Assistant.